Take care. Bye bye. Alright, so I'm gonna cross to the other side of the road and yeah. This one is 2002. This one will be 24. Welcome guys, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Godwin, the channel. This is Godwin. Let's go with me, let's take fresh air. Inside Koftown, Koforidua. So I'm right now at the Nkubem road. So we're gonna go down there, I think, watch. So we're gonna walk down. I'm gonna take you on a short trip. It feels good to come your way every now and then. Some beautiful ladies over there. I think this side, on my left side here, used to be full of coconuts, so we used to call it Incubim. The area has changed a bit. There's a car washing bays over there. So if you are from Koftown, what you're seeing is the Nkuben area. This road basically links you up to Old Estate. So this road takes you to Kenke Factory, Old Estate. It also takes you to areas like Dasibre Estate. It also takes you to Aberewa, Kwanta, Old Estate, Senate Flats, and other areas. So on my left is where we used to call the Incubim proper. But now we have what we call the YMWCA office there. But it used to be full of coconut trees, and there was a railway line behind the place. There was a railway line behind the place, but I think for some time now there has been some changes here. Now they built the YMW. I want to cross to that side. So that's the YMWCA building where it used to be the Nkubem. I think the road is smooth, so people enjoy driving here. So that's the YMWCA, and it's the former Incubim area. It's looking like this. On my right side is the Parks and Gardens, but I think I did a video there as well. I don't know if you watched that video already. Right, so this is me going over there. I actually love strolling or walking around when I visit places, so it's one of my walk arounds. So we are getting to another iconic location. This is an iconic location here, but let me still show you the Parks and Gardens is just behind this thick green place you see here. But when I got there, I realized that's a bit diminished a bit, as at the time we were kids, as long as I used to know the Parks and Gardens. And then on my left is the Pentecost Central Tabernacle. That is the head office, original head office of the Church of Pentecost, and I think the main Pentecost church here in Koforidua. And if you live here before, you see this stream over there. Let me zoom on the stream. See that stream? See the stream over there? That was the former the Densu River crossing into the place. And then you can also see the old Central Tabernacle in the background. So you can see that one too in the background. So that is the old bridge here. That is the old Nsukka bridge. You can see the water flowing, going all the way. And then just beneath it, that's what you see there, is the old Central Tabernacle. And then a new one over there. Then the new regional office is also over there as well. So let's walk on, guys. Wow, what is really happening in Ghana now? I think this river now has become bigger as compared to when we used to know this river here as well. The gutter over there. So I'm gonna cross to the other side because of those cows. So over there, Koforidua Clinic is also on my right. It's an old clinic, of course. Has been here for a long time. Okay, so look into my camera. What's your name? Rahel. Sorry? Rahel. So buy some of Rahel's sugarcane. So every day you walk around like this to sell, eh? Work hard, okay? It's going to pay off, okay? Take care. Bye bye. Alright, so I'm going to cross to the other side of the road and make up on my trip or my journey. So over there is the Mukasi Taste. There's a new restaurant in town. Should I go there? I think there's another one here. I have tried here. So I've tried here. I've tried that place already. I think all this place is part of the Mukasi Taste. I've tried it already, so I'm going to try another place that I've seen. Alright, so I've seen some ladder here. Let me check on the price. Let me see this one too. This one too. How about this one too? This one. The foldable one, yeah. This one is 2002. This one will be 24. I didn't get this one. 2,200. Okay. But you know assembler, man. Okay, so it gets some plastic thing underneath. It gets legs and with metal and plastic. Okay, you. Okay. And then how about this one too? That one is 1,007. Oh, that'd be cool. But the only thing is, you know, if you break them like this one. Yeah. So this one I go fit reach the roof, this very roof. Yeah. This one I go fit reach, eh? Oh, okay.
This one be the first one is 12.
Oh, okay. Okay. So this one will be 24. 24, and then this one will be 1.
The other one will be
17. Oh, okay. Because when I own, somebody can store when I own. So we for buy some. Well, they said this one to be imported, right? Yeah. Okay. Wow, we need some ladders. So I think while I was looking around, I found some ladders around. I will go and check and come back. Okay, so I think we need to settle on this one. So I'll go and check. 2,400, no reduction. You can get like how much? 2, 3. Okay. That so a day on my vlog. Yeah, man. Oh, I thought there was a way there. How they come? Yeah. So I spoke to a shop and asked about the price of ladder. So it's a very strategic junction. I'll be here. I see dogs for crossing. Strategic junction here. This is the old estate junction. That's a laundry, Zero Laundry.